Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. My name's Marie. My business, social media handles, website, and YouTube channel are Mareevuitton. In this series, I'm going to give you the short form videos of the most used how-tos in Studio Designer. These videos are the remake of last year's how-to series, but you may have noticed that Studio Designer got a bit of a facelift in 2025. That prompted me to reshoot all these videos to help the new users because the screen is going to look a bit different. Okay, the processes and teachings, my tips and tricks remain the same. But again, I just want to make sure that I reshoot them because of the way that it looks different on screen. Okay, so as always, please leave your feedback and questions in the comment section and be sure to hit the thumbs up button if you found the video useful. Subscribe to stay updated. Now let's dive in. In this video, we are going to go over searching the GL. You're going to get there by the $ icon, general ledger. Once you're in the general ledger, you can filter for what you're looking for, okay? These are the types of postings, okay? These, you can filter by date. I usually start to kind of isolate the periods that I'm looking for, okay? So in this case, I might be looking for cash disbursements. Maybe I want to know everything that came from the Amex account, okay? So there's not very many. So I'd like to total that. So you can see here, it looks like there was an order payment here. Okay, you can look at it and see the order that it's affiliated with. And you can see that it was also refunded. Okay, it's not labeled as such, but you can see that it was purchased in January, then refunded in May. Okay, you can search, you can kind of see this is a testing account. It's not really real, but you can kind of have an idea of how I see things, okay? And if you wanted to, you can get the totals, okay? So if I wanted to look at this, I would say the totals that came out of the checking account for the year was this. This was the total that came in. This was the total that was spent, and this was the net. Okay, and that doesn't mean that's what we made for the year. That's the activity for this account. Okay, if there's any questions about what I've said, most of what you can look in the GL are things that you can find on reports, but usually I'm looking for the GL because when I look at this, it will tell me if that bank account or whatever account was reconciled. When I know that it's reconciled, I usually know that I can pull a statement that it would tie to. Okay, and I usually start to check things there. Okay, there's a lot of things you can look at. Again, these are for more on-screen things when I'm looking for things. Okay, if you have any questions about what I've said, let me know in the comments below. In this video, we are going to go over searching the GL. You're going to get there by the $ icon, general ledger. Once you're in the general ledger, you can filter for what you're looking for, okay? These are the types of postings, okay? These, you can filter by date. I usually start to kind of isolate the periods that I'm looking for, okay?